Hello, in this video, we'll explore MuleSoft's newest Agentforce connector that will help us integrate AI agents in Salesforce within any point platform. So let's get started. But before going ahead, we need to do a little setup. Firstly, you'll create a connected app in Salesforce. This app helps us bridge communication within Salesforce and our systems. Make sure you have granted proper access right, and once the connected app is ready, you'll also get access to the client ID and client secret. Make sure you save those credentials because we are going to need them in going ahead. Once this is done, we'll create a new agent. So here I've already created a new agent, and we'll go ahead and in the connections tab, we'll connect our agent with our connected app. So all you need to do is go into the add section, click on connection, select the API and the connected app that you have just created. And that's all. Once this is done, let's go ahead into the builder. And here you can go ahead and add in your topics, your agent actions that you want to configure. Here I have configured a topic, off topic and small topic handling. For my use case, I have defined the description, scope, the instructions for this topic. And once done, don't forget to activate the agent. So let us now jump into Anypoint Code Builder, MuleSoft's newest IDE, where we'll explore the Agentforce connector. As you can see, there are a wide range of connectors here. We'll now go ahead into the Agentforce connector. So we have 4 capabilities here, mainly the start agent, end agent conversation, continue agent, and unauthorized agent. So as the name suggests, the start agent conversation will help us in establishing connection and initializing the connection with agent. With the help of continue agent, we'll have continue access, continue conversation with the agent. End agent conversation will help us end the conversation, and unauthorized will terminate the session and decommission the session ID. So let's see how we have incorporate this in the Mule application. So here I have built a simple Mule application within the Anypoint Code Builder where I've just added in a simple connector, start agent conversation. And in order to configure this agent connection, let's go ahead into the configuration tab. I have selected OAuth client credentials. I have added in the client ID, client secret from the connected app that we just created in Salesforce platform. For the token URL, I have added the Salesforce domain appended by services /OAuth2/token. And that's pretty much all. Once this is done, you'll get a list of agents that you have configured. I here have just service agent, and hence that's I can just see the service agent configured here. But if you have multiple agents, you can see a list of agents in this section. So here, depending on the choice condition, I'm routing it as a continue agent conversation if there are questions or requests from the user. If there are no questions, no queries from the user, I'm terminating the condition using the end agent conversation and unauthorized tab. For these connectors as well, the configuration remains the same. I have used a similar configuration. I'm also passing the message that comes from the input payload that I'm passing with a request, and the session ID that is generated when we start the agent. So session ID is important to keep the conversation going on. I've also configured a message sequence number as one. You can define your message sequence number. This application is already running. So let's go ahead into Postman and see how it works. So I've got a query here. I've got this first request here, which will test the first part of the choice component, the first fragment of the choice component, the start and the continue conversation. So let me go ahead and trigger the request. I'm asking you what is the capital of UK, and I get the response as London. I can further go ahead and ask India, and it will give me the capital of India is New Delhi. The agent is answering me these questions because I have configured the off-topic handling as well. You can also ask any other question that is related to your agent or topic configuration that you have configured in Salesforce. Now, let me go ahead and ask weather in UK today. So if you see the agent, let's wait for the agent. The agent is not able to answer here. We haven't configured the real-time topic in agent. and hence the agent is not able to answer your. So once we are done implementing the first part, like continue agent conversation, let us go ahead and implement the next one, that is stop and unauthorize. So here my script is empty, and hence there are no questions that I want to ask my agent further. I want to terminate this conversation. So here my second path has been carried forward, and the agent will terminate this connection. It will end conversation with agent. This was a simple use case, but you can take this ahead and make it more complex by adding in more end systems. You can add in different end systems like Workday, SAP, or any other, from where you're getting in information, you're having a conversation with agent, you're passing in information to another system. Basically, build an integration. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do like this video and subscribe our channel to check out the other videos from this playlist. Thank you.